First of all, good morning to all of you. So, now students, in previous class we see about the tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. We see tropical evergreen forests are those forests which are located nearby the equator, and they almost throughout the year they looks green only. And why they look green only all throughout the year? Because of heavy rainfall which occurs over there, and except that we can say कि the forests are that much thick कि even sunlight can't touch the ground. Okay, so except that we see deciduous forests which are also known as the monsoon forest, and they are known as monsoon forest because that forest get the rainfall in the monsoon season only. Okay, except that in a particular dry season all of those trees all together shedded their leaves over there. So up to here I explain you all. I hope things are clear to you all. Now we will see our next topic, and today's our next topic is temperate evergreen forest. So first of all we have to understood what is temperate. So students, just see, like suppose this is our earth, here it is 0 degree, here 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south. Now area beyond the tropics, this one area we can say up to the Arctic Circle, here 66.5 degree north, and here also Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. Matlab this one area we can say, this one area, this is known as the temperate zone. This is known as the temperate zone. So today we will see in this temperate zone what kind of vegetation we found over there. In this temperate zone, what kind of vegetations we find over there, about that we will discuss now. Okay, chaliye, let's see. First of all, these are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. Means in the latitude also, the mid part of the latitude, okay, in the between part, middle part of the latitude, there they are located, and that also nearby the coastal area. Matlab like suppose this is the 66.5 degree north, in the between part only they are located, and that also nearby the coastal area, nearby the sea area they are located. And the commonly the trees, or we can say commonly where we found this temperate evergreen forest, that areas are eastern margin of the continent. Matlab in the eastern side of the continent we found this temperate evergreen forest. Once again I want to remind you here, temperate evergreen forest. Temperate means it is located in the temperate region, and evergreen we can say which always remains green because of the heavy rainfall over there. So here we can say this temperate evergreen forest, they always located in the eastern margin of the continent. Eastern margin means in the eastern side of the continent, and that is in southeast USA, South China, and southeast Brazil. Matlab in the eastern and the southern part. Eastern and the southern part, these are the parts where we can say this evergreen forests are located. Except that they comprises both hardwood and softwood. Matlab in this forest we also find the hardwoods and we also found the softwoods also. Sasank is asking ki ma'am which chapter is going on? So Sasank, like from 3 days chapter is going on, and today you are asking ki ma'am which chapter is going on. This is not fair. Then also I will tell you chapter 6 geography it is going on, natural vegetation and wildlife. Except that it is saying hardwood and softwood both we can find over there, just like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. In here if you will see the trees, they are just like cone shape we can say. That type of trees we find over there because they are in the higher altitudes, and there the shape of the trees are like this. so they can protect themselves from the snow falling also, from the snow also. Except that the animals which we found over here, that is tigers, golden langurs, elephants, etc. On page number 41, golden langur, that figure it is giving over there. If you want, you can see there. So in temperate evergreen forest, the things which you have to keep in your mind, that things are, these forests are located in the temperate areas beyond the tropics, and these temperate evergreen forests mostly we can find them in the eastern part of the continent, in the eastern margin of the continent, nearby the coastal area. Nearby the coastal area means nearby the sea areas and all. And the areas, that is Southeast USA, South China, Southeast Brazil, etc. And in this forest, hardwood and softwood both we can find. And the animals which we found over there, that is tigers, golden langur, elephants, etc. So I hope this temperate evergreen forest, that is clear to you all. Yes or no? Show me your thumbs up if it is clear to you all. Show me your thumbs up, boys. Hurry up. Now next we will see temperate deciduous forest. Again, in the temperature region only they are located, but not nearby the tropics. Away from the tropics they are located. And they are known as deciduous forest because in this forest, rainfall is happening in a particular monsoon region. It is also known as the monsoon forest also. And except that, we can say in this forest, in the tropical, temperate deciduous forest, all the trees shedded their leaves in a particular dry season. In a particular dry season. Because of that, they are known as temperate deciduous forest. So look at here. These are found in the higher altitudes. Now this temperate deciduous forest, these are found in the higher altitude. If this is 66.5 degree north, upper side of that, here we find this temperate deciduous forest. Except that, as we see temperate evergreen forest, listen and try to understand the thing. Temperate evergreen forest we found in the eastern margin. Okay, and they are only in temperate deciduous forest we found in the northeastern part of. Matlab, if I will show you here, like suppose any of the continent it is here, okay. This is any of the continent. In this continent, southeastern part, this is the southeastern part where we found the temperate evergreen forest, and northeastern part is there where we found the temperate deciduous forest. Clear my point? In southeastern part we found the temperate evergreen forest, and in northeastern part there we found the temperate deciduous forest. Just opposite of temperate evergreen forest. Look at here. This temperate deciduous forest we found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also the coastal region of Western Europe. It means if you will see Europe, this one part is there of Europe. In the western part of Europe also, we find this temperate deciduous forest. So keep in your mind, temperate evergreen forest we found in the eastern margin of the continent, in the southern part, and temperate deciduous forest that we found in the eastern margin only, but in the northern part, not in the southern part. Except that in like we can say Europe also, western part is there where we found this temperate deciduous forest. Next we will see, they shedded their leaves in the dry season. As already I told you all, what are the deciduous forests? Deciduous forests are those forests which shedded their leaves all together in a year. They are shedding their leaves all together in a year, and that is in the dry season. That is in the dry season. And the forest which we found over here, that is oak, ash, beech. These are the common trees. Just like the Christmas tree, that type of trees are there because these are there in the higher altitude, and in higher altitude snow falling is happening over there. To skip themselves from that snow falling, they are growing in, like we can do this shape. After that, if you will see animals which are common over here, deer, fox, wolves. These are the common animals which we find over here. Okay, these are the common animals which we found over here. Chaliye, now come to the topic. One of you is saying, ki ma'am, please explain the third point again. Completely I am telling you again, listen and take care, okay? Tropical deciduous forest and tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest we found in the southeastern margin of the continent. And they are only like, this is one of the continent, southeastern margin of the continent. There we found the tropical evergreen forest. And there only northeastern part, there we found the tropical deciduous forest. Okay, except that if you will see where we found this tropical deciduous forest we found in USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and the coastal region of Western Europe. Matlab this western part of the Europe, here also we found this temperate deciduous forest. Except that these deciduous forests, they all shedded their leaves. Matlab they all fall their leaves together in the dry season. And the trees which we found over here, that is oak, ash, beech, etc. And the animals which commonly you can find here, that is deer, fox and wolves. These are the common animals which we found over here. So I hope students these topics are clear to you all. Now we will come to our next topic. Yes students, so our next topic is there, Mediterranean vegetation. If you remember this word, Mediterranean vegetation, Mediterranean, it is the name of the sea also. Yes or no? How many of you know that the Mediterranean is the name of sea also? Show me your thumbs up. Who know that ki, yes ma'am, Mediterranean is the name of sea also, and we study that name in chapter 5 of geography. I tell in my class, I know that thing. But how many of you know about that? Very good. If you all know about the thing, it is very nice. So let me show you on the map. Students, if you will see over here, so here we can find this is Africa, this is Europe, and this is India. Now area between over here, if you will see, just look at here. This one area, if you will see, this is the Mediterranean Sea, which is located in between the Europe and Africa. This is the Mediterranean Sea, which is located in between the Africa and Europe. Except that here you can see here also one of the sea is located, which is known as the Red Sea. So about this nearby the Mediterranean Sea only, some of the vegetation it is located over here. About that we will study now. So I hope all of you got the location of Mediterranean Sea now. Yes or no? Mediterranean Sea location, is it clear to you all? Okay then, come to the topic now. The most of the east and northeast margin of the continents are covered with the temperate evergreen and deciduous forest. As I told you all, if this is any of the continent, northeastern part, here we found the temperate deciduous forest, and this southeastern part, there we find the temperate evergreen forest. The Mediterranean vegetation is found in the west and the southwest margin of the continent. Look at here and try to understand. Once again, I am drawing the map for you all. What is saying, like suppose once again if we will draw the map over here, it is just like in this way. I hope it is visible to you all. Now what is saying? Ma'am, where is Bermuda Triangle? Beta, Bermuda Triangle we will discuss afterwards. First, look at here, है ना? Otherwise, we will not get the topic. So now what is there? Just suppose here it is Europe, here it is Africa. Now what is saying? This Mediterranean vegetation that we found in the western part, this one, in this western part and the southwestern part. Western part and southwestern part is there where we found this Mediterranean vegetation. Make different in your mind, make difference over there. Temperate evergreen forest we found in the southeastern part of the continent. Temperate deciduous forest we found in the northeastern part. Means almost we can say eastern part is there where we found the temperate, deciduous and evergreen forest. So where we found this Mediterranean vegetation, this we found in the west part of the continent and the southwest part of the continent. Just see the same it is giving over here. It is around the Mediterranean Sea only. Where you see like this is the Africa, here it is the Europe, and in between only Mediterranean Sea is there. Okay, try to understand the thing. Here we have Africa, here we have, look at it. This is Africa, here we have Europe, and in between we have Mediterranean Sea. Now this Mediterranean vegetation is located nearby coastal area of the Europe and Africa and plus Asia also. So coastal area are surrounding by the Mediterranean Sea of Africa, Europe and Asia. There this Mediterranean vegetation is located. If anyone will ask you where this Mediterranean vegetation is located, so you can tell them, wait. I will show you on this like board, so that time you can understood the things more better way, okay? So give me 1 minute, let the board start, then I will tell you. Chaliye, now come to the topic, what I want to tell you all, that you have to see here. Like suppose, this we have Africa, okay? This we have Africa, and after the Africa, if you will see, the upper side of that, from here Europe is there. From here it is the Europe. Okay, and this one side we have Asia also. About 3 continents we are talking here. Africa, Europe and Asia. Now Mediterranean Sea which is located over here. Mediterranean Sea which is located over here nearby the Africa and Europe. Where Mediterranean Sea is located? In between the Europe and Africa. Okay, now what will happen? The south and southwest part. Matlab this southern part, southwestern part and all, these are the places which are located nearby the Mediterranean Sea of Asia, Africa and Europe. Here this Mediterranean vegetations are found. Okay, so I hope now Mediterranean Sea, location of the sea and in which areas we found these vegetations. That is clear to you all? Yes or no? Show me your thumbs up if it is clear to you all now. Now students, we will continue over here, and in that we will see the Mediterranean vegetation found in the west, southwest margin of the continent. And where we found them? We found them in Europe, Africa and Asia. Now California in USA, southwest Africa and southwestern South America and southwest Australia. These are the different regions where we found this Mediterranean vegetations. Look at here once again and just see your topic. If anyone particularly ask you, like suppose question is there in your exam, Mediterranean vegetation we found in blank. The option is there USA, Southwest Africa and Southwest South America. And fourth option is there all of these. So what is our correct answer? Our correct answer will be all of these because these all are the areas where we found the Mediterranean vegetation. Mediterranean vegetation we found in USA, Southwest Africa, Southwest of South America and Southwest of Australia. These are the areas where we found the Mediterranean vegetation. Except that now if you will see in Mediterranean vegetation or where we find the Mediterranean vegetation, what kind of climate is there? Here we have the hot and dry summer and mild rainy winter. Means in winter time rainy season is also there, rain is also happening over there, and except that in summer season it is completely dry. Now the most big question ki what kind of plants or what kind of vegetation we found in the Mediterranean vegetation. In Mediterranean vegetation we found the sour plants, जो कुछ खट्टे होते हैं, that type of plants we found over here. Just like orange, figs, olive, grapes, these are the common plants which are grown over here. And students, if you will see page number 42, page number 42, downside one picture is giving over there. Lemon also we can say. In that you see what kind of cultivation they people are doing for growing the Mediterranean crops. Do you see? Yes, boys. Do you see that vegetation? Downside it is showing now. That type of cultivation is happening over there. So the last question which can be made over here, that is, ki ma'am, what type of vegetations are grown in the Mediterranean vegetation? So we can say vegetation just like grapes, orange, figs, olive, lemon. These all are the type of vegetations which are grown in the Mediterranean vegetation. So I hope Mediterranean vegetation, it is clear to you all.